Landria back. I wanted to share some things that my students have shared. I wanted you to know what's going on out there with people who are taking that step into what might be fear for you, having your own business. It's really actually not that scary. When you think about what you have to do to earn money, whatever way you're doing right now, that for me is much more frightening. I wanted to present something to you that would make sense, that is so unique because we're so programmed to just survive. Actually, that's what one of my students said. She's been in survival mode for so long. She's having to shift gears. And also, during the whole training, which is on your schedule, my students are learning that I'm not placing them on a defined schedule. There is no timeline. I give my students 2 years with me, and every week live, I'm with you from creating to launch to scaling. And it is on your schedule in whatever way you want. Some of my students, they're just doing this on the side, and they're just really enjoying this journey of finding out what they love. The first time in their lives that they had to focus on that. If that sounds of interest, then come on over and check it out. I want to change the planet and give people options that they didn't have before. Creating things they love that make a positive impact. Restoring your health, your joy, your purpose. And at the end of the day, when you leave this planet, you're going to look back and say, I did it. I made the effort. I didn't stick with what everybody told me I should be doing. I went after things that I knew were totally possible. I want to make them possible for you. No one's going to hand you anything here, just like anything else. If you're just chasing money, this isn't going to be the place for you. We're looking to create that income in a way that's going to change your life and change everybody else around you. It's going to bring such purpose and passion into your life. You probably won't even realize this is how we should have been functioning the whole time. I want to change the planet, one light beam at a time. Maybe you'll be the next student. I don't take everybody, but if you want to come talk to me, let's see what that looks like for you. What can this training do for you? How could it transform your life, give you great meaning and purpose on this planet? Isn't that what we all want? So I have a few students making some comments here that I think you'll enjoy. And again, if you haven't seen the free webinar, you click and check that out. It'll explain everything that's going to make real sense about how business functions out there. And then you'll understand why I created Digital Explorers. And of course, you can arrange that discovery call with me. I hope to see you there. Thanks for listening.